Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to provide an honest, no-nonsense reviews of the latest health and wellness products. Today we're taking a closer look at Vital Grow XL. Most importantly, these ones right here, the Testo gummies, or once was called the Testo gummies. Alright, these gummies are marketed as a testosterone boosting supplement aimed at improving energy levels, muscle growth, and overall vitality. But do they deliver on these bold claims? Well, let's break it down. According to the brand, Vital Grow XL testosterone gummies are designed to enhance testosterone levels naturally, boost energy and stamina for better workouts, support lean muscle development, improve mood, and overall well-being. Well, the question is, do these claims hold up? Now let's weigh the pros and cons based on user experience and available research. Let's start with the pros. Pros are, these gummies are an easy alternative to pills or powders. Reviews often mention that the gummies are flavorful and easy to consume. Some users report feeling more energized after consistent use, priced competitively compared to other testosterone supplements. The cons, however, results depend heavily on individual factors like age, a diet, and a lifestyle. Also, this one is not FDA approved. Like most supplements, the claims are not verified by the FDA. Some users report mild stomach upset or allergic reactions to certain ingredients. While the ingredients are promising, robust studies on the specific formulation are lacking. Alright, as you can see here on Amazon, it is priced $24 or $25. And on their website, it is sold for $49 per bottle. Now going to Trustpilot, as you can see here, they don't got any reviews right here yet. Why is that? Maybe they're not famous yet. And there's actually a review here on Reddit. Is this thing legit? And this one answered that this is an obvious scam. Alright, and it is falsely advertised. Now going back to the product. Alright, here's the bottom line. Vital Grow XL testosterone gummies might be a helpful supplement for those looking to enhance their testosterone levels and energy naturally, especially if combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Alright? Again, with a healthy diet and exercise. However, they're not a miracle cure, and their effectiveness may vary. If you're considering these gummies, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional first. Alright? But my advice, getting a healthy diet and exercise is more than enough. And also drink plenty of water. Alright, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.